Hey, what's up YouTubers? Today I'm gonna do a review of my SwissCard Lite. So, let's put it. So, that's the Victorinox SwissCard Lite. This card has about 13 features, and the first feature is it has a plate or a letter opener. And it's very good. Also, it's pretty thin and it's sharp too, very sharp. Let's go on. Those are the scissors. They're very small and they're sharp too, so it's pretty handy. That's two features. Let's go on. Feature 3 is the ballpoint pen. Yes, that's right. That's ballpoint pen. So yeah. This doesn't work now. Oh, it does actually. Yeah, that's the ballpoint pen. Yeah. Let's go on. It also has the tweezers. That's pretty handy too. That's already full features. Let's go on. Yeah, that's screwdriver, smaller and the big one, and that's Phillips screwdriver, and the smaller screwdriver, Phillips also. It's very thin, and oh wait, there's a logo on it. I don't know if you can see. It says Victorinox. Yeah. And then there we have magnifying glass. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, I don't know. No, it's not gonna work. Just a second. Oh yeah, it actually works. So yeah, here we have magnifying glass. Very nice feature. And then we have a stainless steel pin, which is right here. I don't know why they put here that thing in, but it's fine. I don't need it. Yeah, and the top of the thing we have a ruler, which is in centimeters, and on the other side it's in inches. Yeah. Sorry, I can't focus, but yeah. And the last thing is the LED light, which is pretty handy in the dark. Then you put keys and search for things. So yeah, that's pretty much all. And yeah, here you can see all the features. 13 things, yeah, 13 features, and it costs around 42.5 Swiss francs, which is around 20 euros. Yes, and you have instructions for changing the battery on Lite and stuff like that, and you have the founder of Victorinox, very nice, and of course this card, SwissCard, is made in Switzerland. So yeah, that's more or less it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and comment. Bye.